Hello and welcome to QlikView Developer course. In this course, as a QlikView developer, you'll learn how to extract data from various source systems and transform data in order to build a data model that can be used for business discovery. Well, data is exploding everywhere and most companies struggle to make sense of it in order to gain meaningful insight from it. As shown in this infographics, today we're creating same amount of data in 2 minutes that was created from the beginning till year 2000. And 90% of the data that exists today was created within 18 months. So obviously numbers are staggering, and it indicates that there will be need for skillful data visualization experts and developers who can help companies make sense of their data. And if you learn QlikView, you'll definitely among those who can help companies gain insight from growing data. Also, as evident from this Gartner report, Qlik is certainly the leader in data visualization and business discovery space. So by learning this valuable skill, you'll definitely among those who will be sought after for a skill set that is very valuable to most organizations. So let's look at the prerequisites for the course. Well, as such, there are no prerequisites since it's a beginner's course, but it's essential to have knowledge of SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. And you also need to have basic understanding of dimensional data model. Well, both of these skill sets are important for you as a developer, since knowledge of this will be the foundational building block on which you can build your skill set as QlikView developer. So if you're excited as I am, let's begin. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.